Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can create a countdown in Snapchat. Okay, so I'm in Snapchat camera. What you have to do, just go to your profile. Okay, scroll down, and here you will see countdowns. Okay, tap on new. Okay, now you can give a name to your countdown. Okay, like let's keep something. We can road trip. Okay, let's go with this one. Then select the friends you want to add to this countdown. Okay, I'm going with my AI, don't want to disturb anyone now. Then select the date. Okay, let's go for 12th. Okay, now select a time. Okay, so once you are done with this set, okay, once you are done with this detail about your countdown, you can tap on create. Okay, your countdown is created. Now let's go to profile and see. Okay, when you go to profile now you'll see the countdown. Okay, you can edit it if you want. If you want to add some other friends, you can add. So that's it guys, like which you can create a countdown on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you on the next video.